Welcome to the Indian Constitution Quiz, Part 2. This section covers fundamental rights from Articles 12 to 35. Get ready for 100 competitive exam questions. Let us begin. First question. Which article guarantees equality before law? Answer options. Article 12. Article 14. Article 16. Article 19. The correct answer is Article 14. Article 14 guarantees equality before law and equal protection of the laws. Now for the next question. Which writ is used against unlawful detention? Choose the correct answer from these options. Mandamus, habeas corpus, certiorari, quo warranto. The correct answer is habeas corpus. Habeas corpus requires the detained person to be produced before the court. Here is the next question. Fundamental rights are contained in which part of the Constitution? Here are the options. Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part either. The answer is Part 3. Fundamental rights are contained in Part 3 of the Constitution. Which article abolishes untouchability? Article 15, Article 16, Article 17, Article 18. Article 17. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. Now for the next question. Which writ commands a public authority to perform a legal duty? Your options are mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, habeas corpus. And the correct answer is mandamus. Mandamus directs a public authority to perform a duty imposed by law. Fundamental rights broadly extend from which articles? Articles 5 to 11. Articles 12 to 35. Articles 36 to 51. Articles 52 to 78. Articles 12 to 35. Part 3 broadly covers Articles 12 to 35. Now for the next question. Which article abolishes titles? Your options are Article 16, Article 17, Article 18, Article 19. The correct answer is Article 18. Article 18 abolishes titles, while allowing military and academic distinctions. Question number 8. Which article protects life and personal liberty? Your options are Article 19, Article 20, Article 21, Article 22. The correct answer is Article 21. Article 21 protects life and personal liberty. Question number 9. Which writ challenges a person's authority to hold a public office? Here are the options. Habeas corpus, mandamus, quo warranto, certiorari. The answer is quo warranto. Quo warranto asks by what authority a person occupies a public office. The constitutional definition of the state for Part 3 appears in Article 12, Article 13, Article 14, Article 15. Article 12. Article 12 defines the state for the purposes of Part 3. Prohibition of discrimination is primarily covered by Article 14, Article 15, Article 16, Article 17. Article 15. Article 15 prohibits specified forms of discrimination against citizens. Article 21A provides free and compulsory education for children aged 5 to 12 years, 6 to 14 years, 7 to 16 years, 8 to 18 years, 6 to 14 years. Article 21A covers children from 6 to 14 years of age. Let us move to the next question. Which writ prevents a lower court from exceeding its jurisdiction? Options. Prohibition, mandamus, quo warranto, habeas corpus. And the correct answer is prohibition. Prohibition stops an inferior court or tribunal from continuing proceedings beyond its jurisdiction. Let us move to the next question. Which article prohibits human trafficking and forced labor? Choose the correct answer from these options. Article 22. Article 23. Article 24. Article 25. The correct answer is Article 23. Article 23 prohibits traffic in human beings, bugger and similar forms of forced labor. Protection of language, script and culture is provided by Article 27, Article 28, Article 29, Article 30. Article 29. Article 29 protects the interests of sections of citizens having a distinct language, script or culture. Which article invalidates laws that violate fundamental rights? Article 12. Article 13. Article 18. Article 32. Article 13. Article 13 makes inconsistent laws void to the extent of their inconsistency. Equality of opportunity in public employment is guaranteed by Article 15. Article 16. Article 18. Article 19. Article 16. Article 16 deals with equality of opportunity in public employment. Next question. How many freedoms are presently listed in Article 19? 1. Choose the correct answer from these options. 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 6. Article 19, 1, presently protects 6 freedoms. Now for the next question. Which writ generally quashes an order already made by a lower court or tribunal? Choose the correct answer from these options. Mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, quo warranto. The answer is certiorari. Certiorari is generally corrective and may quash an unlawful order. Question number 20. Which article restricts child employment in factories, mines and hazardous work? Choose the correct answer from these options. Article 21A. Article 22. Article 23. Article 24. And the correct answer is Article 24. Article 24 protects children below 14 years from such employment. Freedom of conscience and religion is primarily guaranteed by Article 23, Article 24, Article 25, Article 29. Article 25. Article 25 protects freedom of conscience in the profession, practice and propagation of religion. Minority educational institutions are protected by Article 28, Article 29, Article 30, Article 32. Article 30. Article 30 protects the rights of religious and linguistic minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Next question. The right to property is now protected mainly under. Your options are Article 31, Article 32, Article 300A, Article 368. The correct answer is Article 300A. Property is now a constitutional right under Article 300A, not a fundamental right. Which of the following is available only to citizens? Article 14, Article 20, Article 21, Article 19. Article 19. The freedoms under Article 19 are guaranteed only to citizens. Answer this next question. Which article is called the right to constitutional remedies? Choose the correct answer from these options. Article 21, Article 29, Article 32, Article 35. And the correct answer is Article 32. Article 32 guarantees access to the Supreme Court for enforcing fundamental rights. Now for the next question. Article 14 combines which two concepts? Options: natural justice and judicial review, equality before law and equal protection of laws, liberty and fraternity, equal pay and free legal aid. The correct answer is equality before law and equal protection of laws. Article 14 combines the British concept of equality before law with equal protection of laws. Which is not a listed ground for restricting freedom of speech under Article 19(2). Public order, defamation, administrative convenience, contempt of court. Administrative convenience. Administrative convenience is not one of the grounds listed in Article 19(2). Which is not an express ground of discrimination under Article 15(1). Religion, race, descent, place of birth. Descent. Descent is mentioned in Article 16(2), but not in Article 15(1). Next question. Peaceful assembly under Article 19 must be. Choose the correct answer from these options. Licensed by Parliament in every case. Without arms. Restricted to citizens above 21. Held only indoors. The correct answer is without arms. Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause B protects peaceful assembly without arms. Which additional grounds appear in Article 16(2), but not Article 15(1). Language and property. Descent and residence. Education and income. Occupation and domicile. Descent and residence. Article 16(2) additionally mentions descent and residence. Freedom of movement and residence may be restricted to protect the interests of any scheduled tribe. Only government employees, foreign investors, members of parliament. The interests of any scheduled tribe. Article 19(5) permits restrictions for the general public or protection of scheduled tribe interests. Article 15(3) permits special provisions for religious institutions only, women and children, government employees only, foreign citizens, women and children. Article 15(3) permits the state to make special provisions for women and children. Let us move to the next question. The freedoms under Article 25 are expressly subject to. Your options are public order, morality, health and other fundamental rights. Only parliamentary privilege. Only national emergency. Approval of religious authorities. And the correct answer is public order, morality, health and other fundamental rights. Article 25 is subject to public order, morality, health and the other provisions of Part 3. Let us move to the next question. Article 15(4) mainly enables special provisions for. Your options are armed forces personnel, socially and educationally backward classes, SC communities and ST communities, all taxpayers, only linguistic minorities. And the correct answer is socially and educationally backward classes, SC communities and ST communities. Article 15(4) concerns socially and educationally backward classes and the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Article 19(6) permits the state to prescribe a compulsory religion, professional or technical qualifications, hereditary occupations, separate criminal courts. Professional or technical qualifications. Reasonable restrictions on professions may include professional or technical qualifications. Question number 36. Which institutions are excluded from the admission provisions of Article 15(5)? Options. Government universities, technical institutions, minority educational institutions under Article 31, all private institutions. The correct answer is minority educational institutions under Article 31. Article 15(5) excludes minority educational institutions protected by Article 31. For Article 25, carrying a kirpan is included in the profession of which religion? Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Zoroastrianism. Sikhism. Explanation I to Article 25 treats wearing and carrying kirpans as part of the profession of the Sikh religion. Here is the next question. The additional EWS reservation permitted under Article 15(6) is subject to a maximum of. Here are the options. 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. The correct answer is 10%. Article 15(6) permits EWS reservation up to 10% in each category. Protection against ex post facto criminal laws is found in Article 19(1), Article 20(1), Article 21, Article 22(1), Article 21. Article 21 prevents retrospective criminal conviction and a greater retrospective penalty. Answer this next question. The right to move the Supreme Court under Article 32 is. Here are the options. Only a statutory right. Itself a fundamental right. Available only during emergency. Subject to state permission. And the correct answer is itself a fundamental right. Article 32 expressly guarantees the right to approach the Supreme Court for enforcement of Part 3 rights. Next question. Article 25 permits the state to regulate. Choose the correct answer from these options. Only theological beliefs. Economic, financial, political or other secular activities associated with religion. Private prayer in every home. The existence of every religious denomination. The correct answer is economic, financial, political or other secular activities associated with religion. The state may regulate secular activities associated with religious practice. Let us move to the next question. The original fundamental right to property was removed mainly by the. Your options are 24th Amendment, 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 86th Amendment. And the correct answer is 44th Amendment. The 44th Amendment omitted Article 31 and removed Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause F. Question number 43. Who may prescribe a residence requirement for certain public employment under Article 16(3)? Here are the options. A state legislature. The governor. Parliament. The Public Service Commission. The correct answer is Parliament. Article 16(3) authorizes Parliament to prescribe such residence requirements by law. Next question. Protection against double jeopardy is contained in. Choose the correct answer from these options. Article 21, Article 22, Article 23, Article 21. And the correct answer is Article 22. Article 22 bars prosecution and punishment for the same offense more than once. The Supreme Court may issue writs under Article 32 for any private dispute whatsoever. Enforcement of fundamental rights. Only election disputes. Only tax appeals. Enforcement of fundamental rights. Article 32 is specifically directed to enforcing fundamental rights. Now for the next question. Which is a right of a religious denomination under Article 26? Here are the options. To avoid every law. To manage its own affairs in matters of religion. To impose taxes on all citizens. To control public elections. The answer is to manage its own affairs in matters of religion. Article 26 protects management of religious affairs, subject to public order, morality and health. Answer this next question. Article 300A says that no person shall be deprived of property except by. Answer options. Executive convenience. Authority of law. A police order. A private agreement. The correct answer is authority of law. Article 300A requires authority of law for deprivation of property. Article 16(4)A relates to reservation in promotion for all economically weaker sections, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, religious minorities, women in every service, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Article 16, 4A, permits reservation in promotion for SC communities and ST communities when constitutional conditions are met. Let us move to the next question. Protection against compelled self-incrimination appears in. Here are the options. Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A. Article 23. Article 21A. Article 22, 2. The answer is Article 23. Article 23 protects an accused person from being compelled to be a witness against himself. Here is the next question. Compared with Article 32, a High Court's writ power under Article 226 is broader because it extends to. Choose the correct answer from these options. Only criminal cases. Fundamental rights and any other purpose. Only disputes against the Union. Only matters approved by the Supreme Court. And the correct answer is fundamental rights and any other purpose. Article 226 empowers high courts to issue writs for fundamental rights and for any other purpose. Article 27 protects a person from being compelled to pay taxes specifically appropriated for public hospitals, promotion or maintenance of a particular religion, road construction, disaster relief, promotion or maintenance of a particular religion. Article 27 concerns taxes whose proceeds are specifically used for promoting or maintaining a particular religion. Now for the next question. Article 29, 1, protects. Your options are only officially declared minorities, any section of citizens with a distinct language, script or culture, only religious denominations, only scheduled tribes. The correct answer is any section of citizens with a distinct language, script or culture. Article 29, 1, is available to any section of citizens meeting its conditions, not only minorities. Article 31A primarily saves specified categories of laws from challenge under Articles 14 and 19, Articles 20 and 21, Articles 25 and 26, Articles 29 and 30, Articles 14 and 19. After the 44th Amendment, Article 31A principally protects specified laws against Articles 14 and 19 challenges. Let us move to the next question. The practice of untouchability is made punishable under. Options. Article 15. Article 16. Article 17. Article 18. The correct answer is Article 17. Article 17 declares enforcement of disabilities arising from untouchability to be an offence punishable by law. Answer this next question. An arrested person must normally be produced before the nearest magistrate within. Options. 12 hours. 24 hours excluding journey time. 48 hours. 7 days. The correct answer is 24 hours excluding journey time. Article 22, 2, sets a 24-hour limit, excluding necessary journey time. Let us move to the next question. Who may modify or restrict fundamental rights for the armed forces under Article 33? Here are the options. The President alone. Parliament. Every state legislature. The Supreme Court. The correct answer is Parliament. Article 33 assigns this law-making power to Parliament. Religious instruction is prohibited in an educational institution that is recognized by the state, wholly maintained out of state funds, privately managed, affiliated to a university, wholly maintained out of state funds. Article 28, 1, bars religious instruction in institutions wholly maintained from state funds. Article 29, 2, prohibits denial of admission on grounds only of religion, race, caste or language, income, education or domicile, occupation, descent or residence, age, disability or property. Religion, race, caste or language. Those 4 grounds are expressly listed in Article 29, 2. Article 31B is directly connected with the 7th Schedule, 8th Schedule, 9th Schedule, 10th Schedule. Ninth Schedule. Article 31B validates acts and regulations placed in the Ninth Schedule, subject to later judicial doctrine. Next question. Which distinction may validly be conferred by the state under Article 18? Here are the options. Hereditary title. Foreign noble title. Academic distinction. Political title. And the correct answer is academic distinction. Article 18 allows military and academic distinctions. The ordinary arrest safeguards in Article 22(1) and 22(2) do not apply to a civil servant, an enemy alien and a preventive detainee, a person below 18, a member of parliament, an enemy alien and a preventive detainee. Article 22(3) states these exceptions. Now for the next question. Article 34 deals with restrictions and indemnity connected with. Choose the correct answer from these options. Financial emergency. Martial law in an area. President's rule. Preventive detention alone. The answer is martial law in an area. Article 34 concerns fundamental rights and acts done while martial law is in force in an area. Next question. Article 23 allows compulsory service for public purposes provided the state does not discriminate only on grounds of. Answer options. Religion, race, caste or class. Language, income or education. Age, residence or occupation. Property, sex or descent. And the correct answer is religion, race, caste or class. Article 23(2) permits compulsory public service but bars discrimination on religion, race, caste or class. The Article 28 ban on religious instruction does not apply when a state-administered institution was established under a private contract, an endowment or trust requiring such instruction, a municipal license, a temporary executive order, an endowment or trust requiring such instruction. Article 28(2) preserves the terms of such an endowment or trust. Here is the next question. Article 30 specifically protects which minorities? Answer options. Political and economic minorities. Religious and linguistic minorities. Regional and occupational minorities. Only scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. The correct answer is religious and linguistic minorities. Article 30 protects religious and linguistic minorities. Now for the next question. The Ninth Schedule was introduced by the. Answer options. First Amendment. 7th Amendment. 24th Amendment. 44th Amendment. And the correct answer is First Amendment. The Constitution, First Amendment, Act, 1951 inserted Article 31B in the Ninth Schedule. Here is the next question. Which group contains rights generally available to both citizens and non-citizens? Your options are Articles 14, 20 and 21. Articles 15, 16 and 19. Articles 19, 29, 1 and 30. Articles 15, 18, 2 and 19. The correct answer is Articles 14, 20 and 21. Articles 14, 20 and 21 use the language of person rather than limiting protection to citizens. A citizen of India may accept a title from a foreign state with Parliament's approval, with the President's consent, with Supreme Court permission, under no circumstance. Under no circumstance. Article 18(2) provides that no citizen of India shall accept any title from a foreign state. Here is the next question. Under the presently operative text of Article 22, preventive detention beyond which period generally requires an advisory board opinion? Answer options. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. And the correct answer is 3 months. The operative constitutional text uses 3 months. The 44th Amendment's proposed 2-month substitution has not been brought into force. Now for the next question. Article 35 gives exclusive legislative power to Parliament over certain matters arising under. Your options are Part 3, Part 4 only. The first schedule. Municipal government. And the correct answer is Part 3. Article 35 reserves specified Part 3 matters to Parliament. Question number 71. Article 24 protects children below the age of. Your options are 12 years, 14 years, 16 years, 18 years. And the correct answer is 14 years. Article 24 applies to children below 14 years. A student in a state-recognized or state-aided institution may be required to attend religious worship only with the teacher's consent, the student's consent, or guardian's consent if the student is a minor, the district magistrate's order, the majority vote of students, the student's consent, or guardian's consent if the student is a minor. Article 28(3) requires consent and protects minors through guardian consent. Now for the next question. When granting aid to educational institutions, the state cannot discriminate merely because an institution is. Answer options. Located in a rural area. Managed by a religious or linguistic minority. Privately owned. Affiliated to a university. The correct answer is managed by a religious or linguistic minority. Article 32 forbids this form of discrimination in granting aid. Under the current judicially valid scope, Article 31C protects laws implementing all directive principles. Only Article 39(b) and Article 39(c). Only fundamental duties. Only Article 40. Only Article 39(b) and Article 39(c). The expansion of Article 31C to all directive principles was invalidated. Its protection remains tied to Article 39(b) and 39(c). Here is the next question. Which group is expressly limited to citizens? Answer options. Articles 14, 20 and 21. Articles 15, 16 and 19. Articles 21, 22 and 25. Articles 23, 24 and 26. The correct answer is Articles 15, 16 and 19. Articles 15, 16 and 19 expressly confer protections on citizens. Which amendment inserted Article 13(4), stating that Article 13 does not apply to amendments under Article 368? First Amendment. 24th Amendment. 42nd Amendment. 44th Amendment. 24th Amendment. The 24th Amendment inserted Article 13(4). Here is the next question. Which amendment introduced Article 15(4), Article 31A, Article 31B and the 9th Schedule? Options. First Amendment. 7th Amendment. 25th Amendment. 44th Amendment. The answer is First Amendment. These important changes were made by the Constitution, First Amendment, Act, 1951. Which amendment inserted Article 21A? 42nd Amendment. 44th Amendment. 86th Amendment. 93rd Amendment. 86th Amendment. The 86th Amendment inserted the fundamental right to education in Article 21A. Article 358 automatically affects Article 19 only when a national emergency is declared on grounds of armed rebellion alone, war or external aggression, financial instability, failure of constitutional machinery in a state, war or external aggression. After the 44th Amendment, Article 358 is confined to emergencies based on war or external aggression. Which case led directly to the First Amendment's insertion of Article 15(4)? A.K. Gopalan vs. State of Madras. State of Madras vs. Champakam Dorai region. Menka Gandhi vs. Union of India. I.R. Coelho vs. State of Tamil Nadu. State of Madras vs. Champakam Dorai region. The Champakam Dorai region decision prompted the First Amendment and Article 15(4). Under the doctrine of severability, when only part of a law violates the fundamental right, The entire constitution becomes invalid. The offending portion may be separated if the remainder can operate independently. The law automatically enters the 9th schedule. Only Parliament may examine it. The offending portion may be separated if the remainder can operate independently. The doctrine preserves valid portions when the unconstitutional part is separable. Which case declared that a procedure depriving personal liberty must be fair, just and reasonable? Golaknath vs. State of Punjab. Menka Gandhi vs. Union of India. Indira Sawhney vs. Union of India. TMA Pi Foundation case. Menka Gandhi vs. Union of India. Menka Gandhi gave Article 21 an expansive reading and linked it with Articles 14 and 19. Which amendment transformed the right to property from a fundamental right into a constitutional right? 24th Amendment. 42nd Amendment. 44th Amendment. 52nd Amendment. 44th Amendment. The 44th Amendment removed it from Part 3 and inserted Article 300A. Article 15(5), dealing with admissions to educational institutions, was inserted by the 77th Amendment, 86th Amendment, 93rd Amendment, 103rd Amendment, 93rd Amendment. The 93rd Amendment inserted Article 15(5). Let us move to the next question. Under Article 359, the President cannot suspend the right to move a court for enforcement of. Answer options. Articles 14 and 19. Articles 15 and 16. Articles 20 and 21. Articles 25 and 26. The correct answer is Articles 20 and 21. The 44th Amendment protects enforcement of Articles 20 and 21 even during an emergency order under Article 359. Which case held in 1967 that Parliament could not amend fundamental rights, a position later altered constitutionally and judicially? Shankari Prasad case. Golaknath case. Minerva Mills case. Indira Sawhney case. Golaknath case. The Golaknath decision restricted Parliament's amending power over fundamental rights. The doctrine of eclipse mainly means that a pre-constitution law inconsistent with a fundamental right is erased for every purpose forever, becomes inoperative to the extent of inconsistency but may revive if the inconsistency is removed, automatically becomes a constitutional amendment, can never apply to anyone, becomes inoperative to the extent of inconsistency but may revive if the inconsistency is removed. Such a law is overshadowed rather than necessarily treated as non-existent for all purposes. Which case unanimously recognized privacy as a fundamental right? K.S. Puthaswamy vs. Union of India. Shankari Prasad vs. Union of India. A.K. Gopalan vs. State of Madras. State of West Bengal vs. Anwar Ali Sarkar. K.S. Puthaswamy vs. Union of India. The 9-judge bench in K.S. Puthaswamy recognized the fundamental right to privacy. Which case invalidated the 42nd Amendment's attempt to extend Article 31C protection to all directive principles? Minerva Mills vs. Union of India. Golaknath vs. State of Punjab. Basheshwar Nath vs. SIT. Olgar Tallis vs. Bombay Municipal Corporation. Minerva Mills vs. Union of India. Minerva Mills invalidated the expansion and reaffirmed limits on Parliament's amending power. Now for the next question. EWS provisions in Articles 15(6) and 16(6) were introduced by the. Here are the options. 93rd Amendment. 97th Amendment. 101st Amendment. 103rd Amendment. The answer is 103rd Amendment. The Constitution, 103rd Amendment, Act, 2019 introduced these EWS provisions. Which statement correctly distinguishes Articles 358 and 359? Both permanently repeal fundamental rights. Article 358 concerns Article 19, while Article 359 suspends court enforcement of specified rights. Article 359 applies only to property rights. Article 358 operates during President's rule. Article 358 concerns Article 19, while Article 359 suspends court enforcement of specified rights. Article 358 has a special automatic effect on Article 19, whereas Article 359 concerns enforcement through courts of specified rights. Which case established that Parliament may amend the Constitution but cannot damage its basic structure? Kesavananda Bharti case. A.K. Gopalan case. Champakam Dorairajan case. ADM Jabalpur case. Kesavananda Bharti case. Kesavananda Bharti established the basic structure doctrine. Which statement best reflects the Supreme Court's position on waiver of fundamental rights? A person may always waive every fundamental right. Fundamental rights generally cannot be waived merely by individual consent. Only foreigners may waive them. Waiver requires a simple parliamentary resolution. Fundamental rights generally cannot be waived merely by individual consent. Fundamental rights embody constitutional limitations and generally cannot be surrendered by private agreement. Which statement about preventive detention under the present constitutional text is correct? Every detainee must be released within 24 hours. The safeguards for ordinary arrest apply without exception. Detention beyond 3 months generally requires an advisory board's opinion, subject to laws made by Parliament. Preventive detention is completely prohibited by Article 22. Detention beyond 3 months generally requires an advisory board's opinion, subject to laws made by Parliament. Article 22 permits preventive detention but regulates it. The operative general threshold is 3 months unless constitutional and statutory conditions are satisfied. Next question. A person is secretly detained without lawful authority, and the family wants the court to order immediate production of the detainee. Which remedy is most appropriate? Here are the options. Quo warranto. Certiorari. Habeas corpus. Prohibition. The correct answer is habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is the direct remedy for testing the legality of detention. According to I.R. Coelho, laws placed in the 9th schedule after which date may be tested against the basic structure. The 26th of January 1950. The 18th of June 1951. The 24th of April 1973. The 20th of June 1979. The 24th of April 1973. I.R. Coelho held that post-Kesavananda insertions after the 24th of April 1973 are open to basic structure review. Which provisions are important examples of fundamental rights operating even against private conduct? Articles 17, 23 and 24. Articles 18, 19 and 21a. Articles 25, 26 and 27 only. Articles 31a, 31b and 31c. Articles 17, 23 and 24. Untouchability, forced labor and prohibited child employment can involve private as well as state conduct. Answer this next question. The words, or cooperative societies, were added to Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause C by The. Your options are 73rd Amendment, 86th Amendment, 97th Amendment, 101st Amendment. The correct answer is 97th Amendment. The 97th Amendment added cooperative societies to Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause C. Next question. During a national emergency, which pair enjoys special protection against suspension of judicial enforcement under Article 359? Options. Articles 14 and 15. Articles 16 and 19. Articles 20 and 21. Articles 25 and 29. And the correct answer is Articles 20 and 21. The 44th Amendment made Articles 20 and 21 non-suspendable under an Article 359 order. The Indra Sawhney case is most closely associated with preventive detention, OBC reservation and the creamy layer principle, minority religious instruction, right to privacy, OBC reservation and the creamy layer principle. Indra Sawhney is a leading reservation case involving OBC, creamy layer and the general 50% rule.